YouTube channel. Do you have math phobia or you have less calculation speed? Don't worry, stay tuned with me as I will be sharing interesting math tricks with all of you, and I'm sure you all will be in love with maths. So let's get started. So let's understand what are base and complement. But why do we have to learn base and complement? Yes, actually base and complement are two very important terms which will help you to understand all the math tricks faster. Okay, so let's see what is base. So base is a number which starts with 1 and followed by 1 or more zeros. For example, 10, 100, 1000, etc. Or we can say that the powers of 10, all the powers of 10 are called base. Now here you can see that all these numbers are starting from 1 and they are followed by zeros. Alright, so for example, if I ask you what is the nearest base of 11, so it will be 10. Now what will be the nearest base of 89? It will be 100. So I hope the meaning of base is clear. Now let's move on to complements. So let's see what are complements. Two numbers are said to be complements of each other if their addition gives the nearest base. Now what is the meaning of this? For example, if I want to find the complement of 9, which number I will add in 9 so that I get the nearest base? Now for 9, the nearest base is 10. So in 9, I have to add 1 to get 10. So 9 and 1, they are complements of each other. For example, 89. Now for 89, the nearest base is 100. Now in 89, I will add which number to get 100? So 89 plus 11 gives you 100. So 89 and 11, they are complements of each other. Now these numbers are very small, right? So you can easily find the complements, mentally. But if I ask you, what is the complement of 8967? So you have to think about it, right? So, but don't worry, I will share an interesting trick with all of you. Using that trick, you can easily find the complement of any number. So let's learn how to find the complement of any number using the formula all from 9, last from 10. So let's take one example. Let's say we have to find the complement of 3674. So you have to subtract all these digits from 9 and the last digit from 10. So 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 7 is 2 and 10 minus 4 is 6. So 6326 and 3674 are complements of each other. So you have to subtract all the digits from 9 and the last from 10. Alright, so let's take one more example, and this time let's make this trick even work faster. So we will be adding the numbers this time instead of subtracting. So let's see how do we do that. Let's find the complement of 7649. So here you have to see 7 plus what gives you 9. So 7 plus 2 gives you 9, 6 plus 3 gives you 9, 4 plus 5 gives you 9 and 9 plus 1 gives you 10. So 2351 and 7649 are complements of each other. Now let's take one more example of exceptional case. So in case if you have to find the complement of 3490. Now if you see this number ends with 0. So any number which ends with 0, for that you have to ignore the 0 and you have to subtract 9 from 10. You have to consider this as the last digit. And then remaining number you have to subtract from 9. So 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 4 is 5. 10 minus 9 is 1. And copy this 0 as it is. So here 6510 and 3490 are complements of each other. Now let's find the complement of any decimal number. So let's take 32.627. Now here again let's do addition instead of subtraction. So 3 plus 6 gives you 9, 2 plus 7 gives you 9, 6 plus 3 gives you 9, 2 plus 7 gives you 9 and 7 plus 3 gives you 10. So these two numbers are complements of each other. So these are a few practice questions. So practice this trick and don't forget to comment down your answers below. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video with few more interesting tricks. Until then, goodbye.